In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tap menu and tapping on this little shortcut with a sun next to brightness slider. If the shortcut is blue, that means that auto brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on it again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit, access Display and Brightness, and then use this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!